Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account in Asana. Search for Asana in Google and then click on Log into Asana. Provide the email address you want to use, or you can continue with Google. Click on Sign up with Google. Select your Google account. Here you can write your name and select a display picture, if you want, or you can skip it for later. You can also select a role, such as manager, director, or freelancer. For example, if you are a freelancer, select that option. Next, you can choose the kind of work you do, like project management or engineering. You can select according to your preferences. What are you planning in Asana? This can be any kind of task or project. The options you choose here don't matter much. They are just for Asana to personalize your experience. Click Continue. When you click on Save Personalized Examples, you will get sample projects from Asana. If you want to create a customized project, you can select Create New Work. For now, I'll select Save Personalized Examples. You can add your teammates' email addresses here or skip this step for now. This is the Asana interface. On the left side, you'll see the menu, which includes My Tasks. In My Tasks, you can view all tasks assigned to you in any project. In the inbox, you will receive notifications for comments, reactions, task assignments, or any changes made to tasks or projects you are a part of. Under the Projects section, you can see all the projects you have access to. Below that, you'll find the Teams section. There is also a reporting tool built into Asana, which I will cover in another video. Now, let's get started with creating a new project in Asana. To create a new project, click on the plus button and select New Project. You can use a template if one is available, or you can import a spreadsheet and modify it according to your needs. For this example, I'll create a blank project. Let's name this project Trial Project. You can set up the project with Asana's AI, which will create sections, fields, and other elements automatically, or you can customize it manually. This is how a project looks. In the list view, you can add sections. In board view, these sections are displayed as columns. For example, you can create sections like Inbox, Plan, Execute, and Close. In the board view, these will appear as columns. Now, let's create a task. You can click Add Task to create one or use the Quick Add option. Name the task and select a column or section to place it in. You can also drag and drop the task to move it to the desired section. This concludes my first video. In the next video, I will show a detailed video on organizing projects using custom fields, sections, and boards. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.